Hi everyone! Today I got a special one for you. This noise favorite sweet and sour prawn.
Famous or favorite?
Oh, oh, famous?
Famous. Famous is it?
Yeah, favorite. You guys ready? Let's go. Thai home cooking with Marion. First of all, we're going to do vegetable. You eat your vegetable. Now I know you don't eat enough. My secret vegetable here is cucumber. We're going to stir fry the cucumber. Cucumber is very good vegetable for this dish. Just nice. I show you how to make. Just cut the top, the tail off, and you cut it half. See like this? I'm going to take the seed out with a spoon. Seed, it makes too salty. We don't want the seed here. We're going to keep the cucumber crunchy. Just do like this. Just like this, I'm going to cut to the big chunk. That's the way we cut. You listen to noise. Now I want some capsicum. Just cut it half. Cut half again. Just cut, get the knife to cut, get the seed out. Now a little bit of spring onion for the end. Too much. Just use that. I use just 2 small ones. Okay. Just cut the root off. Cut like this. Now we're going to make the sauce. This many sweet and sour recipe. This one is not special one. This more Thai style, not Chinese. Like home cooking style. Just nice. First I want some fish sauce and some vinegar. Now I want some sugar too. Gonna make a little bit sweet. I like to put ketchup. Nice color and nice flavor. And mix it up. Marion used to like this one when she was little. She always say, "Mom, make the sweet and sour." She very cute when she's a baby. I don't know what happened now. Okay, you know how it goes. Now let's cook it. I think I don't want too hot.
What are you doing?
Yeah, should be alright. Why is funny thing like this? Why don't have a simple one? And the fire, you know. What do you do? Garlic, onion, prawn. Now I'm gonna add some oil. Wait till the oil hot so we can add the vegetable. I want to put a little bit of garlic. Make sure they're hot. Oh, they're hot. Garlic. And the onion. Let's cook a little bit. Now I'm going to add my vegetable. I like to cook the vegetable first. Pineapple. I don't want to overcook the prawn. I put it last. And look at all the color. It's a great way to keep each vegetable. Oh, how come this turn off? Why this thing not working? Now we're going to add the sauce. I want to simmer a little bit, make the sugar dissolve. I don't want to overcook the vegetable. I want it crunchy. Now I add a little bit of corn flour. I mix this with water. They're going to make the sauce a little bit thick. Just look at that. Now I'm going to add the prawn. Look at that, smells so good. Stir fry till the prawn is cooked. You can see the prawn turn to the pink. That means the prawn is cooked. Now the prawn is cooked. I'm going to add my spring onion. Stir fry a bit. Look at that. I don't want to overcook the spring onion. I think I turn that off. Now we're going to serve it up. That looks so nice. This one's so light and fresh. That's why I like this style. Look at that. Another winner from Noi. You try. I try. Mmm. So tasty. So I got the prawn and the capsicum, onion, and pineapple. Beautiful.
What about the cucumber?
Oh,
You're gonna eat your green vegetables. Right?
okay. I take a cucumber. Mmm, very crunchy and sweet. Must try the cucumber. No secret ingredient. But you try. Prawn cooked perfect.
Yum. Is this for my lunch?
Okay.
You know, you should make a cooking show or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
tasty. Huh?
It is very tasty.
It's a Thai style, you know, they cook like different.
I always like the cucumber.
Yes. See, we don't have to deep fry the prawn,
You
just
don't have to deep fry the
just
prawn.
put all in the beautiful tasting.
It's very nice. I've already eaten half.
They're your favorites. You ask
It
me
is
to
my-
make for
I
you
know
all
I
the
ask
time.
you to make it all the time.
Yes. That's nice, isn't it?
Okay, thanks, Mum.